Get in bed, guys.
Okay, we have an issue, and this is the issue. A snake in our Christmas tree.
A live wild snake.
And Tony is about to dispose. Don't let it touch me. Is he trying to bite you?
No. Can we keep him?
Heck no!
He's cool. He's scared.
Cool.
We're not gonna all hold him. I'm just gonna hold him.
I know. Let me see.
He's not mean. He's big though. He's bigger than the one.
Look. Yeah, they do that.
I gotta get this man's tail.
Can I touch him?
Ah!
Eli, you wanna touch him? Don't touch him hard. Just barely. Mommy, you wanna touch him?